Hey there, Super Explorer! Ready to go on a fun-filled adventure around the world? We're diving into amazing animals, cool science, wacky weather, and giggle-worthy geography. Each question has 4 choices. Can you guess the right one? Get your thinking caps on, your smiles ready, and let's have some quiz-tastic fun! Let's go! Which country has the most natural lakes? Your options are A. Canada, B. Brazil, C. Russia, D. United States. Correct answer is A. Canada. If you visited a different Canadian lake every day, it would take you over 5,000 years to see them all. Moving on to the next question. What is the fastest known ant species? Here are the options. A. Fire ant. B. Army ant. C. Saharan silver ant. D. Bullet ant. Correct answer is C. Saharan silver ant. The Saharan silver ant can run 108 times its body length per second. That's like a human sprinting faster than a race car. Moving on to the next question. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Your options are A. K2, B. Mount Everest, C. Kanchenjunga, D. Lhotse. Correct answer is B. Mount Everest. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters taller every year because of shifting tectonic plates. It's a mountain that's still growing. Moving on to the next question. Which galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way? Your options are A. Andromeda, B. Whirlpool, C. Sombrero, D. Triangulum. And the correct answer is A. Andromeda. The Andromeda Galaxy is speeding toward us at 110 kilometers per second. But don't worry, the cosmic crash won't happen for another 4 billion years. Moving on to the next question. How many hippos are born each day on average? Your options are A. 10B, 50, C. 100D, 200, Correct answer is C. 100. Baby hippos can start swimming almost right after birth. They're natural water babies from day 1. Moving on to the next question. How many bones are in the human hand? Your options are A. 24, B. 27, C. 30D, 33. Correct answer is B. 27. The 27 bones in your hand are connected by over 30 joints, making your hand one of the most flexible parts of your body. Moving on to the next question. What is the driest place on Earth? Here are your options. A. Sahara Desert, B. Atacama Desert, C. Gobi Desert, D. Kalahari Desert. Correct answer is B. Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert is so dry that some parts haven't seen rain for over 400 years. It's like the world's biggest dry museum. Scientists study the Atacama Desert to learn about Mars because its dry conditions are very similar to the red planet. Moving on to the next question. What country has the most active volcanoes? Your options are A. Japan, B. Indonesia, C. Italy, D. USA. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Indonesia sits on the Ring of Fire, where about 130 active volcanoes light up the sky with fiery eruptions. Some Indonesian volcanoes, like Krakatoa, have caused massive explosions that were heard thousands of miles away. Moving on to the next question. How many stars are in the Milky Way galaxy? Estimated. Options are A. 100 million, B. 500 million, C. 100 billion, D. 1 trillion. Correct answer is C. 100 billion. If you tried to count all the stars in the Milky Way 1 per second, it would take you over 3,000 years. Some stars in the Milky Way are so big, they could fit our entire solar system inside them. Wow! Moving on to the next question. What is the world's smallest country by land area? Here are the options. A. Monaco, B. Nauru, C. Vatican City, D. San Marino. And the answer is C. Vatican City. Vatican City is so tiny, you could walk across it in about 20 minutes. It's the world's smallest country. Even though it's small, Vatican City has its own post office, bank, and even a soccer team. Moving on to the next question. Which animal has the best memory? A. Elephant, B. Dolphin, C. Dog, D. Parrot. Correct answer is A. Elephant. Elephants recognize friends and family even after decades apart. Talk about never forgetting a face. They can remember water sources and paths for many years. They're nature's amazing map readers. Moving on to the next question. What causes rainbows? Your options are A. Dust in the air, B. Bending of sunlight through raindrops, C. Magnetic fields, D. Moonlight reflection. Correct answer is B. Bending of sunlight through raindrops. Rainbows happen when sunlight bends and splits inside raindrops, creating a colorful light show. No two people see the exact same rainbow because the raindrops and angles are always changing. Moving on to the next question. Where is 70% of the Earth's fresh water stored? Here are the options. A. Underground, B. Lakes and rivers, C. Glaciers and ice caps, D. Clouds. And the correct answer is C. Glaciers and ice caps. The Antarctic ice sheet holds around 60% of all fresh water on Earth. That's a frozen treasure chest. If all glaciers melted, sea levels could rise by over 200 feet, taller than a 20-story building. Moving on to the next question. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Neil Armstrong. B. Buzz Aldrin. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. John Glenn. Correct answer is A. Neil Armstrong. Armstrong's first step on the moon was watched by over 600 million people on Earth. That's a record-setting moonwalk. The footprints Armstrong left on the moon could last for millions of years. There's no wind to erase them. Moving on to the next question. What is the largest animal ever known to exist? Your options are A. T-Rex. B. African elephant. C. Blue whale. D. Megalodon. Correct answer is C. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest creature ever on Earth. It's even bigger than any dinosaur. Recorded length of a blue whale is 33.5 meters. That is equal to 110 feet. This is equivalent to about 30 elephants, or the length of 15 school buses. A blue whale's heart can be the size of a small car. Wow! That is too big! Moving on to the next question. What is dry ice made of? Here are the options. A. Frozen air. B. Frozen oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide that turns into gas. Perfect for fog machines and spooky effects. Moving on to the next question. What's the only bird that can fly backward? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Crow. D. Finch. Correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds can fly backward like tiny helicopters. They beat their wings 70 times a second. Moving on to the next question. Who invented the light bulb? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Thomas Edison. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Isaac Newton. Correct answer is B. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison lit up the world with his light bulb. He filed over 1,000 patents. Moving on to the next question. Which animal is known to sleep with one eye open? Options are A. Cat. B. Dolphin. C. Owl. D. Horse. Correct answer is B. Dolphin. Dolphins sleep with one eye open to stay alert. Half their brain stays awake. Moving on to the next question. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Correct answer is C. 7. There are 7 continents on Earth. Each one is unique and full of life. Moving on to the next question. Which is the only planet with plate tectonics? Your options are A. Mars. B. Earth. C. Mercury. D. Neptune. Correct answer is B. Earth. Earth is the only planet with shifting tectonic plates. It's how we get mountains and earthquakes. Moving on to the next question. Which desert is the largest in the world? A. Sahara. B. Gobi. C. Antarctic. D. Arabian. Correct answer is C. Antarctic. Antarctica is the largest desert, and it's frozen. Deserts aren't always sandy. Moving on to the next question. Which planet has the most moons? Options are A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Correct answer is A. Saturn. Saturn has 274 confirmed moons in its orbit. That is more moons than any other planet. It's the moon champion of the solar system. Moving on to the next question. In which country did the Olympic Games originate? A. Italy, B. Egypt, C. Greece, D. France. Correct answer is C. Greece. The Olympic Games began in ancient Greece. They started over 2,700 years ago. Moving on to the next question. How many eyes does a honeybee have? A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. 6. Correct answer is C. 5. Honeybees have 5 eyes for spotting flowers and threads. 2 big, 3 small, like bug goggles. Moving on to the next question. What part of your body never stops growing? And the options are A. Nose, B. Arms, C. Toes, D. Fingers. Correct answer is A. Nose. Your nose never stops growing. Really? So Grandpa's nose wasn't always that big. You did it, Brainy Star. Did you learn? We hope you had a blast. Don't forget to like if you had fun, subscribe to join our next adventure, and share this quiz with your best buddies. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep being curious, and remember, the world is full of wow. Bye-bye for now.